Hello, everyone! Imagine this. If a bowling ball fell from the sky today and landed right on your head, what would happen? You'd definitely be severely injured, right? Did you know? For a tiny mosquito, the weight of a single raindrop is about 50 times its own body weight. This is just like a small car crashing directly down onto us. Logically speaking, when it rains heavily, mosquitoes should be crushed to pieces. But strangely enough, whenever it rains, mosquitoes still fly everywhere, completely unafraid. Why don't they get killed by the raindrops? Today, let's use physics to uncover this incredible secret of nature. Level 1. Let's see why a mosquito's extremely lightweight actually becomes its biggest advantage. Middle school physics taught us about inertia. The greater the mass of an object, the greater its inertia, and the harder it is to change its original state. Imagine this. If you hit a heavy shot put hard with a baseball bat, your hands would definitely hurt from the shock. But what if you use the same bat to strike a lightweight balloon? The balloon wouldn't pop. It would just instantly fly off along with the force of the bat. The mosquito is that balloon when a raindrop hits a mosquito, because the mosquito is just too light and its mass is incredibly small. It offers almost no resistance to the raindrops. It doesn't confront the drop head-on like a wall to absorb the impact, but instead instantly falls along with the raindrops. This non-resistant strategy makes the impact force it endures super small. However, this brings us to level 2, the crash landing crisis. Although the mosquito isn't crushed initially, it is falling downwards at high speed along with the raindrops. If it eventually hits the ground, it would still be doomed. So how does it escape? This is thanks to the mosquito's waterproof suit. A mosquito's entire body is covered with tiny, fine hairs. These hairs are highly hydrophobic, meaning they repel water. Just like on a waxed car, water droplets will just slide around on it when the mosquitoes and the raindrops fall together. Because the raindrop is a fluid, its shape will change. Coupled with the fact that the mosquito's hairs repel water completely, the mosquito just needs to slightly rotate its body in midair, and it can act like a slide, slipping out from the side of the raindrop before hitting the ground, and take flight once again. Finally, the third level, a built-in natural bulletproof vest. Even if the mosquito acts like it's using tai-kai to deflect most of the impact force, at the exact moment it gets hit, there is still a little bit of pressure. This is where the mosquito's exoskeleton comes into play. Although an insect's exoskeleton is very light, its structure is incredibly strong. This layer of natural bulletproof vest perfectly withstands the remaining minor pressure, protecting the mosquito's internal organs from injury. To summarize, a mosquito can survive in a rainstorm thanks to 3 tricks. First, extremely lightweight, avoiding a head-on collision with raindrops. Second, hydrophobic fine hairs all over its body, allowing it to slide off and escape from the raindrop. Third, a strong exoskeleton to resist the final minor impact. It turns out that mosquitoes have survived until now, entirely relying on superb fluid dynamics and physical laws. Although we usually really hate being bitten by mosquitoes, we still have to admire nature's wondrous design. What other fascinating trivias about animals would you like to know? Feel free to leave a comment below and let me know. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye-bye.